Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create social media modern poster design in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Open Layer panel, and create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select text to change its font. I am using the Gotham black font. Hold the Alt key, and make a copy of it. And edit the text. Hold the Shift key, and select Text Layers. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Adjust the text size. Right-click, and choose Perspective. Drag it from the corner. Again right-click, and choose Distort. Create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Go to the Object Selection tool, and make a rough selection of the subject. Here it needs some manual selection. Follow me in this. Then add a layer mask to it. Now I am adding the shadow of it. For that, press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. And delete layer mask. Make a rough selection of image shadow using Lasso tool. Press Ctrl+J. And delete the image layer. Go to the Image menu, Adjustments, and then Desaturate. And change its blend mode to Soft Light. Press Ctrl+L to open levels. Use these settings. And hit OK. Add a layer mask to it, go to the Brush tool and erase the extra area. Select top layer, and type other text. Follow my text settings. Select gradient color layer, create blank layer, go to the brush tool. Then apply it like this. Then paste the texture image. Change its blend mode to divide. And decrease its opacity to 55%. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.